I did for the last couple of days. Maybe I think Thursday and Friday. I think there's a couple of things we found, um, which is the MGT lease company that originally bought for MULN events, and then obviously you guys know they have issued another PO for 250 MULN 3, which is about 15.7 million. And that all goes through Randy's. So I did some search after that. Greg Stryker is the name of the guy, and he actually posted on LinkedIn about we are excited to get moving within the commercial EV market, right? And then did some search. He actually has profile of automotive broker, and he works profile. He says pro automotive remarketing agents INC out of Texas. So he's actually looks like from a profile perspective out of San Antonio, but after what's his name, David posts his Insta with this little um, graphics there, then we kind of match it through, and it was ACDC, and we were speculating, from the lyrics maybe going too far, but it was a Texas there somewhere, so we was kind of thinking about he live in Texas, he has companies in Texas, so actually connected with him Twitter as well. So there might be a call set up next week or so. So we'll let you know. Maybe I'll have a recording on that as well. But this is Will, and then if you look at this pic here, and this is the MGT leasing office in North Carolina with MULN One. So this was a while back, and I uploaded a separate video for that. That's the someone recorded as well, so it's there. And then the other thing I want to cover is the cage code updates for both Bollinger, which was done 5th or the May 12th and the May 10th. And I did some chatbot search and what is possible reason for updates to cage code. And I think I'm looking at there's possible five um, uh, scenarios, but I think the best thing is the changing capability and services. So the timeline perspective, I think only thing that really have changed for MULN was the EMM, right, which is Washington DC contract through EV technology. So I think this is what I think whole that change was. So we'll see what happens. And then obviously another thing we found is one of the Twitter guy disk. There's some numbers, so that's handled named disk, and he actually went to the UNCC today and got a picture of it. I also uploaded the YouTube as well for separate one, but you see the logo. Looked like that's the actual number of the vans, but they actually have about now initial 7 and then 8 additional, so about 17 MULN ones, but he could only find 2 at the facility, which is the transportation services in UNCC. So, which is a good sign, right? So finally people are using it, and then obviously you saw the MGT as well. So it's all good. And then now, from now on, I'll do some more updates on the YouTube as well. I have always via Twitter Space Call and things like that, but I'll do some updates daily basis or whenever there's a new news update here as well, and then maybe I'll go back to some of them, and then this is slide 380 so far, so I'll do some other slides as well as far as update goes. All right, take care.